To find best Pizza Hut promo code, you simply have to search the same on your browser and click on this first website you will see on your page. That is One India Coupons. In this, you will see there is a lot of available discount coupons here. That is 25% off, rupees 125 off, special offers, and many more. You simply have to copy it and paste it on the payment page. Now let's move to the second website, that is couponfollow.com. This is also a genuine website to find available promo codes. As you can see that this is $17 discount, 25% off. Simply click on this blue icon that will show you the code, copy it, and redeem it on the official Pizza Hut website. Now we will move to the third website and our last and the genuine website, that is called, let me just click that, hit back button here, and you will see grabon.in, the third and the best genuine website. In this also you will get a lot of things and you can simply copy the code. This is the video. Thanks so much for watching it.